Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're starting right away. Place the Redi Edge on a flat counter and confirm the angle guide position. Once set to 15 degrees, 20 degrees, position the knife in the coarse slot if the edge is blunt. Pull the blade through evenly from heel to tip with light, steady pressure. Do not saw. Make 3 to 6 passes depending on dullness, keeping your wrists relaxed so the guide sets the angle consistently. Make sure each stroke is full length and steady to re-establish the bevel. Once the primary bevel is visible, move to the medium or fine slot to refine the edge. You'll want to use lighter pressure and slightly faster, controlled strokes, 3 to 5 passes per stage, so you remove less metal and polish the bevel. Make sure to alternate sides or equalize passes as recommended so the edge stays centered. Between stages, wipe the blade and inspect under light. A uniform shine means you're ready to advance. If burrs remain, repeat short, gentle strokes until smooth. Finish by polishing in the finest slot or using a stropping motion to remove any remaining burr. Make 5 to 10 light pulls with even pressure. Then test the knife on paper or a tomato. A true edge slices cleanly without tearing. If the blade snags or shows chips, don't push harder. Return to the coarser slot and reshape with controlled, steady passes until the profile is restored. Make sure to clean and oil the blade lightly after.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.